Hi guys, let's make creative mockup art in Photoshop. Here we go to the video. First go to select and choose subject. Then press Ctrl J 3 times to make multiple copies. Then hide these two layers. Choose this layer. Now drag your design to Photoshop and adjust it accordingly. Then press OK. Change the blending mode to multiply. Hold Alt key and click here to clip a mask. Unhide this layer and change the blending mode to linear. Go to adjustment layer and choose levels. Click on the icon below to affect the layer below it and follow this process. Hold Shift and choose these layers. Group them like this. You can rename the group. Now unhide this layer. Change the blending mode to linear dots and go to adjustment layers and choose levels and click on the icon to only affect the layer below it and follow this process. Hold Shift and choose these layers. Group them like this. Rename the group. Now choose the background layer. Go to adjustment layers and choose levels. Let's adjust it so we can show more contrast. Go to adjustment layers and choose the solid color. You can choose any color if you favor. And you can change the blending mode to multiply, so more realistic. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to more tutorials like this.